Hi, I am Jeannie and I am your teacher for Fashion 120. I wanted to get you familiar with the homepage so that you'll know to go to that every single week. So when you open the homepage, you'll see a chart there and there's 5 boxes. Each box is going to tell you something about that particular week, and it will be the place that you need to go to activate that week. So the first box will tell you what week we are in with that date, and then the second box will tell you what we're discussing. The third box, which is your most important box, will activate the module for the week. And in that module will be the PowerPoint and the VoiceThread, and also your assignments that will be due that week. Also in there might be future assignments that you might want to get started. Then the next block, which says assignments and discussions, are assignments that may not be part of that module, but may be something that I need you to look at. And also the discussions will be posted there, so make certain that you look at those every single week. And then the final box tells you the due date. I hope that this makes it really easy for you to navigate. I'm looking forward to working with you through the class, and hey, here we go.